All right, welcome back, guys. This is the 18th strategy in the guidebook. My name is Jason, and I am a coach, and I help entrepreneurs really take control of their space and time by starting with their workspace to get as much focus as possible. This is the 18th strategy in the guidebook that I've created, so go ahead and check that out at the link below. It's completely free. It has 25 of my favorite strategies that I've used to optimize my workspace. And I hope it will help you to really overcome your environment so that it works for you and not against you. So without wasting any time, let's get into today's video. Tune into the right frequency. So what I mean by that is you gotta be engaging all of your senses into the work so that you're maximizing everything that you have to really get the work done. I wanna start with talking about this interesting concept. So this is a YouTube video, right? But if you've watched a lot of YouTube videos, you know that some videos have really bad quality visuals, but their audio is really good, and the opposite way around, right? So like sometimes you hear really bad quality audio, but the visuals are really good. Now, those are two extremes, but I want to bring the focus to really finding that balance where they're both really good. Because really watching YouTube videos and creating any kind of content is both visual and audio. Those are the two senses that are actively engaged in. So why am I talking about that? Well, the research shows that if you are listening and tuning into the right frequency, you have the outcome changes depending on the music that you listen to. So for example, like pop music, for example, is not conducive to being focused and to studying. So that's like an aspect of the research that shows that, if you listen to the right music for the right purpose, it will help tremendously. Now I want to introduce you to binaural beats. Binaural beats are what are called like these frequencies that are not necessarily music. I wouldn't consider them music, but they're just frequencies that go into your brain, and they match the frequencies that your brain naturally emits when it's focused. And so as it's matching it, it gives you a sense of calm, and it puts you into the state of mind that helps you to focus on the work that you have in front of you. So what do I recommend? Well, if you want to really optimize your workspace and you want to engage all of your senses in the work, you want to take advantage of this binaural beats that is really scientifically proven to help you focus in a short amount of time, or to get to focus in a short amount of time. So go ahead and first download this app. This app is called Endel. It's free. I'm not sure for how long, but this is the app that I trust with the binaural beats. It has different settings. You can actually go ahead and click on different activities that you are doing at that moment, and it will change the frequencies depending on the choice that you make. So go ahead and play around with it, be creative with it, and most importantly, before you start to do any focused or hard work, I encourage you to tune into these frequencies before you start work so that you can actually see how much work you get done, and to compare and contrast with not having binaural beats in your ears. Now, the best way to get the most effect in your ears is to actually be plugged in with earphones or headphones. But if you don't, you can still use Endel because it can basically go through the speaker. But like I said, if you want to get the maximum value from it, I highly recommend you get earphones or headphones. Or if you don't have one, invest in one. Just get it, because it's going to be really beneficial, and you'll see why. Now, once you download the app and you start to tune into these frequencies before work, you'll notice that you're going to be in a state of calm, and you're going to be more relaxed to get to work. That's because, like I said, the beats and the frequencies are matching the frequencies, the natural frequencies from your brain. That when you're focused, this is the frequencies that are emitting from the brain. So basically it will match that and help you to be more relaxed and focused. And this is a great way to automate this whole audio setup that you can have because once you play that frequency, once you download the app, all you gotta do is open the app and just click on that one button and basically set the time for how long you want to be in that zone. And once you're set, you're good. You're good to go. You don't have to worry about it. You're plugged in and you can get right to work. So that's what I love about Andal, and having a consistent output of the natural frequencies that match your brain when you're most focused, so that you don't have to be distracted by music, which, I mean, there is a whole purpose for music, right? If you want to work out, you can listen to workout music, but this is when you really want to get work done and you want to be focused. So I highly encourage you to check Andal out. And if you like this video, if you got value from it, make sure to click that like button. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be releasing a video per strategy in my guidebook, so go ahead and check that out first before you watch any of my videos. I highly encourage you to do that before you watch my videos, because there's a lot of value in it already, and you can get to work right away on those strategies. So I hope you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.